Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, you may have heard your parents talk about things like long-term care insurance, but today's retirees, they actually have a lot more options. What can you tell us about that?
Sure, they really do, Jen. So obviously, you don't want to have to self-fund for home care or long-term care. And nearly 50% of people 65 and older are going to need some type of long-term care, whether it's in the home or in a facility. So there are all sorts of different tools now that people can utilize. There are hybrid policies, which are things like life insurance that include the ability to accelerate the death benefit tax-free for retirement in the final years of life. There are also tools that don't require full medical underwriting. So if you've had some health issues or you've been declined in the past, there are options that are still out there that you may not realize that coordinate with something called the Pension Protection Act, which we can explain in person.
Right. So many options for people retiring today. You don't want to rely on what previous generations did. And when it comes to some of the strategies available today, you have some great resources for us.
That's right. I think self-funding for long-term care is the worst option because you're using it dollar for dollar. And that's why our team has put together this retirement kit. Every day that goes by that you don't have a plan in place while you're healthy to cover future healthcare expenses or home care or long-term care really jeopardizes your future financial security. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will explore the different options you have available for home care and long-term care.
All you have to do is call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.